Hi everybody, I'm Tara from Crooked Row, and today I'm going to show you what to do with your peelings and the pears that you have, the peaches that you have left over. I had 60 pounds of pears that I cut up. Some of them were just a little too soft for me to freeze. So, and some of them were just peelings left over. And I saved all of those. And now I'm going to go ahead and put these on to boil so that I get peach juice. You just bring it to a boil and then you'll strain out the peaches, and the juice that you have left over, you're actually going to put in double sugar. So let's pretend you have 4 cups of peach juice, then you'll put in 8 cups of sugar, and you will bring that to a boil. And as soon as you bring that to a boil, I would keep stirring because sugar infamously burns on the bottom of the pan. And notice that I am using a flat utensil instead of a rounded one. And I do that and I just keep that pushed on the bottom of the kettle so that the sugar does not burn. But you'll want to bring this up to a boil, and as soon as you do, you're going to want to turn your heat off because this will happen. Oh, and as you can imagine, sugar and peach juice all in your stove is not a very fun thing to clean up, but the ants really like it, so it's good. But as you have turned off the heat, like I did, and then you continue to stir, it goes down right away. This is actually a really quick process. Once it has cooled enough so that you don't burn yourself to pieces, I put mine in a wide mouth cup. It holds a ton, but I went ahead and ladled the cooled off syrup into that very large cup, and then I got clean canning jars, sterilized canning jars, and you just pour. Again, I would not ladle it straight in. It's so sticky, and to have to clean up your canning jars afterwards is just not worth it. So I would ladle it into a pitcher or just something that's going to be very, very easy for you to get into your canning jars. And then I filled mine all the way up because I don't can this. I just put it in my refrigerator and it will last for months and months. There are so many things that you can do with peach syrup. You can add it to iced tea and make like a peach iced tea. It is absolutely delicious. I know that there are like 5 or 600 recipes online for different cocktails that actually use peach syrup. So if you like cocktails, then I would definitely make peach syrup. And you are still in a time where you can go to growers and pick peaches, and you can have peaches in your freezer, plus you can have peach syrup. And that's what we did. We went to a grower because our peach tree had died, and that's why I had so many excess peaches we picked. So I got about 3.5 quarts out of this. If I would have done my full 60 skins and peels and all of that, I would have gotten 6, 7 quarts out of this. So almost 2 gallons. That'll definitely be good through winter. And then I just put it all in the refrigerator. So if you have any questions or comments, put it in the comments below. We'd be happy to answer it. And remember, if we can make peach syrup, anybody can. Thanks. Bye.